Learning target 443 asks us to calculate the slope of a line given 2 points on the line. So this is where we're going to have to use this slope formula that will be given to you on the MCA test. That's why I gave it to you here on this test. Just a matter of plugging numbers in. So we have to look at, okay, so here's my first x coordinate, here's my first y coordinate. Here's my second x coordinate, here's my second y coordinate. So to find the slope, I find my rise by subtracting the y values. 7 minus 4. I find my run by subtracting the x values. 2 minus a negative 3. So we do have to remember to chop. We end up with 7 minus 4 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. So the slope of that line would be 3/5. Now, it's okay. Sometimes people have a tough time saying, well, how do I know which one's my first and which one's my second? It doesn't really matter. If I would have taken 4 minus 7, the key then is just going in the same direction with your x's. So if you do 4 minus 7, then with your x values, if you go negative 3 minus 2, what happens? 4 minus 7, that's negative 3. Negative 3 minus 2, that's negative 5. But a negative is going to chop to a positive 3/5, the same answer as I got when I did it in red. 14b, very similar. Maybe I'll go like this. I'm going to go y minus y, so 5 minus 0. Then I have to go this direction with my x's, 2 minus 3. We're looking at 5 over 2 minus 3 is negative 1. And if we can, we always want to simplify. 5 divided by negative 1, we're looking at a slope of negative 5. Now 14c says, a student calculates the slope between 2 points to be 3 over 0. This slope is what? Well, if you try to do 3 divided by 0 on your calculator, or if I said take 3 pizzas and chop them into 0 pieces, I'd be hard-pressed to find somebody who can do that. I could chop it into maybe 6 half pieces, or I could chop it up again, but now I've got 4, 8, 12 slices. I asked you to chop it into 0 slices. You can't do it. This would be undefined. Let